So how much money should a landlord have in reserve? Ask yourself, how much do you spend on maintenance for the home you live in now? Then realize that 2 homes will be double the expenses and challenges. Owning 3 homes will be triple the amount of expenses. If you own rentals that are older buildings, it will likely involve even more repairs and expenses than the average. As a general rule of thumb, I recommend 3 months of rent as a reserve for each rental property you own. That will give you peace of mind knowing that you can weather the storm of most unplanned expenses that might come up. You also need to save in advance for a new roof and also new carpet and paint every 8 to 15 years. Also consider the fact that there are many issues you, as the owner living in your own home, choose to live with and not get fixed because of the cost and time involved to fix it. As a landlord, that's not really an option. Tenants will expect that things are fixed. Otherwise, they might decide to leave, and unresolved maintenance issues will make it harder to find new tenants.